Welcome to Travels Unfiltered. My name is Anna and today I'll be highlighting our top 10 Amazon travel health and safety items, accessories and essentials. For more travel tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Before departing on your next adventure, it's important to ensure that you're well prepared for anything unexpected that might happen while on your trip. One of those unpredictable elements is your health, as travelling might take several tolls on your physical and mental health. Hence, it's important to prepare for the unexpected and make sure that you're taking precautions to ensure that you're fully prepared for your adventures. In this video, we're going to go through some of the best health and safety travel items, accessories and essentials that you need to add to your packing list. Kicking things off at number 10, we recommend this all-in-one travel supplement by Copilot. Travelling between countries has the potential to take a toll on the human body. Therefore, you should consider bringing along this all-in-one supplement to combat and prevent some of the effects of travel. Made from plant-based ingredients such as ashwagandha root, rhodiola rosea and green tea leaves, Copilot has made sure that this product is vegan, gluten and soy-free. Furthermore, the supplement comes in compact and reusable metal tin that can effortlessly be taken with you on your journeys by popping it in your carry-on. As Copilot recommends, when on your trip, you simply take 2 of these supplement pills in the morning to ascertain the benefits. These benefits of the all-in-one supplement intend to promote immunity, boost digestion, increase energy and assist with the stress and mental blockages. Coming in at number 9, we suggest Pocket Care's Travel Hand Sanitizer. When travelling around, you're bound to come into contact with a great variety of surfaces. Therefore, it's important to protect yourself from harmful bacteria with this compact travel hand sanitizer. Designed to be pocket-sized, it makes for a fantastic travel companion, as you never know when you might not have access to soap. Additionally, this hand sanitizer functions via a spray, allowing you to quickly mist your hands without having to pour out gel, which makes it easy to share around with others. You can pick from a range of scents, including unscented, mint, orange, gum, verbena, grape and more. Despite its small size, Pocket Care claims that this sanitizer will last more than 900 sprays. Moreover, Pocket Care has developed this hand sanitizer to be alcohol and chlorine free, and it's also refillable in an effort to promote better environmentally friendly practices. Coming in at number 8, we recommend the SmartSF toothbrush sanitizer. If you're planning to bring your toothbrush with you on your trip, make sure that it remains sanitary and clean with this toothbrush sanitizer. With the SmartSF toothbrush sanitizer, you don't have to worry about charging or cables as it runs on AAA batteries. Using the device is also straightforward. Simply put your toothbrush inside and close the lid. That's it. The toothbrush cover will sense that a toothbrush is inside and it will begin working. Utilising a UV LED sterilizer, the sanitizer will work to ensure that most germs on your toothbrush are eliminated. This device is ideal for those camping or travelling who carry a toothbrush around with them, potentially exposing them to different bacteria. Moreover, the SmartSF toothbrush sanitizer comes with a wall sticker for you to mount on a surface and a carrying bag for you to easily store and bring with you between destinations. Coming in at number 7, we suggest the Food Anti-Blister Balm by Vanibiss. When travelling, you usually find yourself walking much more than usual. Therefore, it's critical to make sure that your feet are kept tip-top shape to deter any blisters from forming, as they may detract from you being able to fully enjoy your trip. Hence, to fight against or mitigate blisters, try out this Vanibiss Foot Anti-Blister Balm. It's intended to not only prevent blisters, but to avoid chafing and help with other friction that may occur on your feet while travelling on foot. It's non-irritant and safe for all ages and skin types. Furthermore, the balm works as a deep moisturiser for your feet, keeping your skin healthy. Additionally, this also works great for those looking to break into new shoes. If you're planning on an adventure that consists of walking or hiking, make sure to consider including this anti-blister balm on your list, and allow nothing to detract from enjoying your days out on vacation. We're at number 6 now everyone, and we recommend this bug bite remover from Bug Bite Thing. When visiting climates, you might have to deal with different kinds of bugs. If you get stung by one, this bug bite remover will help you swiftly deal with it by alleviating that itchy feeling. It's easy to use. Simply place the tool over the bug bite area, pull up on the handles to create a suction and hold for 10 to 20 seconds before releasing. How it works is that it removes any insect venom, saliva or irritant that may have been left on the skin after being bitten. The design is kid-friendly and requires no creams or chemicals to be effective. The bug bite remover also comes in different colours, making it a fun and simple solution to an annoying problem. We're down at number 5 now. We recommend the Nightcap drink cover reusable scrunchie. When enjoying a night out, one very real danger, especially for women, is having your drink spiked. Invented by 16-year-old Shira Bernard, the goal of this product is to help solve an epidemic of women's drinks being targeted in public from being spiked. Hence came their solution of a portable drink cover to protect your drinks from pills and powders. Disguised as a regular scrunchie, it can easily be brought along on nights out to bars and nightclubs, and the discreet cover can be retrieved from the hidden pocket when needed. Moreover, the cover is reusable and washing machine friendly. For a simple deterrent against drink spiking, consider getting a Nightcap drink cover reusable scrunchie to feel safer when drinking in public settings. In 4th place on our list, we recommend the Hidden Pocket Scrunchie from LokiStashed. Although this is also another scrunchie product, this one has a different purpose than the Nightcap. With the Hidden Pocket Scrunchie, you can store small items such as keys and cash in a discreet scrunchie. This makes for a great safety option if you misplace or lose bags and require emergency money, or if you want to keep your important items on your person. Designed with an invisible zipper, this multifunctional scrunchie is unlikely to be suspected by anyone else as anything but a scrunchie, making it a unique and great way to keep items hidden in plain view. The Hidden Pocket Scrunchie comes in a pack of 3, and they're designed with a choice of either a premium velvet or suede material. The item is also completely functional as a scrunchie, but is ideal for those looking for a more discreet location to store specific belongings, and for those who are wanting to protect themselves from potential pickpockets. Coming in at number 3, we suggest the Hidden Bra Wallet by Sanitizer. The Hidden Bra Wallet is an indispensable travel accessory that offers numerous benefits for explorers on the go. With this product, you'll receive 2 different coloured hidden bra wallets, allowing you to discreetly stash your currency or credit cards in a small, snug wallet. This provides you with peace of mind, knowing that your essentials are securely kept within the travel pouch. The bra wallet is both subtle and secure, concealing your ID, currency, credit cards, and other valuables from pickpockets and thieves. Its secure connector clasp ensures that the pouch won't unsnap accidentally, guaranteeing the safety of your items. Whether you're in tourist areas, crowded marketplaces, airports or music festivals, this pickpocket-proof wallet accessory is invaluable. Made of soft cotton, it offers maximum comfort against your skin and can be fastened securely to your bra, underwear or belt loop. Additionally, the Hidden Bra Wallet is multi-purpose, suitable for various occasions and can hold ID, currency, credit cards and other valuables. At number 2 on our list, we recommend this travel pill box. For those intending on bringing along vitamins, supplements or medication on their trips, it's important to keep things organised and easily reachable. Therefore, this portable pill organiser does that job for you, with multiple sections to keep your pills organised and secure plastic tabs to prevent spillage. The organiser also comes equipped with a double lock feature and will not open inside purses or bags. Coming in at a portable 4.7 by 3.3 by 1.5 inches, this pill box will easily fit in your carry-on bags to bring along with you when going to different places. Made with translucent plastic, the pills inside can also be easily identifiable before opening the tabs and retrieving them. Hence, for those looking to manage their pills while travelling, consider this travel pill box to make organising and keeping track of your pills a breeze. Finally, coming in at number 1, we suggest a small first aid kit from TUPUQI. In case of an emergency, make sure that you're well prepared by always having a first aid kit on hand. This particular first aid kit comes with 300 pieces of essential medical supplies to cover a wide range of cuts, scrapes and other injuries. Inside the weatherproof red box, you'll find a wide variety of bandages, alcohol pads, iodine pads, sting relief pads, soap wipes, eye pads, wound pads, medical tape, a taurquenet, cotton swabs, PVC gloves, a pair of scissors, a tweezer, CPR mask, ice pack, whistle and burn dressing. Moreover, the total dimensions of the first aid kit only come to 7.5 by 4.5 by 2.8 inches, making it incredibly compact and portable. Some items that the kit also comes with includes a flashlight that doesn't require batteries, a multi-tool pocket card and an emergency blanket. We can never predict when an accident may occur, Therefore, it's critical to keep yourself and others prepared with the on-the-go first aid kit. And that wraps up our recommended list of top 10 Amazon travel health and safety items, accessories and essentials. Each of these items are guaranteed to benefit you on your travels. To find out more about these items, including their prices, head to the link in the description box of this video. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and videos, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. See you next time!